In this video, we will discuss the Intercom app on the DS7 touchscreen. Note, Intercom messages and replies can only be edited in the A-dec Plus app. Begin by opening the app tray. Then select Intercom. To send a message, press the plus button in the top right corner. Select a recipient. Choose a message. And press Send. To reply to a message, tap the banner. Select a response and press Send. To turn on Do Not Disturb, select the snooze icon. Select a duration and press the back arrow to exit the app. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.